Hello everyone, I'm Neeraj Joshi and I'm the writer and director of the film New Moon. Firstly, I would like to congratulate all my contemporaries who have been given this amazing opportunity by the ninth Bangalore Shorts Film Festival 2020. It's such an honor to be able to present my film with all of you. Being a student filmmaker, the subject of the film came naturally. As my work was very coherent with my life at the moment, it was very clear for me on what and how to present the emotion. With everybody around me, I experienced that my struggle wasn't mine alone. I observed that there was a vacuum created in relationships by us while we were busy chasing the graphs of progress in our life. With that, I really wanted to explore the space and understand it. The making process always has a tendency not to go your way. With my experience in the earlier projects, I was very sure of how to handle these moments. We don't get the casting done till the last moment because we didn't want to compromise, and eventually was one of the good decisions that we made. Getting the film under 20 minutes was a big one. I wanted to build an experience of trance very subtly to show how the harshness of distance. In the end, we managed it well. Resource management was very strong on our part. I had worked with my DOP on the earlier projects, so we were in sync. But our producer was a big surprise and a blessing. He managed to get spaces and props that could have cost us three times that the price we paid, and he really understood us and our vision. My ADs were my colleagues that I handpicked because I'm very aware of how I work and what kind of people would I need for the best possible outcome. I think a good team is the half battle won, and it gives you time to do your own job. Managing the shoot time was a big challenge. We had 4 days to shoot in our parameters, and I don't like the idea of a bound script. It has to evolve every second just like us. So the entire crew had always to be on their toes for a lot of improvement were to made because before the shot was announced okay. I had kept slots for improvisation in the pre-production that really helped us to give a buffer. I feel an ambitious brain is always biased. A thing like film, which holds the ability to capture time, it's very ironic in a sense. Every minute passes gives you a deeper accuracy in the time passed. Sometimes you feel like a few things here and there could have been done differently, but overall, I would say the, the manifestation of the majority of my vision was done. It's not a popular opinion because it's the truth, but my target audience for this film is people like me. Someone in search of healing and improving, who needs to nudge every now and then to remind that nothing is impossible. USP of this specific film is to experience the harshness of silence and distance in a father-son relationship through a journey of self-realization. By the end, it might not be the way you want, but you might get a step closer if you try. My plan is to let this film travel as much as it can. It gives my audience and me a chance to know each other. I'm curious about a few more subjects that I'm working on, but my goal with this film would be able to learn what my audience takes away from it and a rhythm that we could all connect in love and appreciation of the world we live in. The reason to watch New Moon is to understand the surrounding better, to bring compassion and dynamics. We all need to understand ourselves, everyone and everyone around us. We all do things that takes us away from what we really want and need. But that does not mean it's lost. There's always hope if you just give it a try. My message to young filmmakers is to keep attempting, sticking to your guts and keep learning. That's the only way to find peace. Cheers.